Hi guys, this is my new laptop which I bought for just 33,000. So I'm going to upgrade this. I bought this for about 33,000. Sorry, 33,000, and it's been 6 months now. And there's something which I have to do. I'm upgrading this laptop. It is already an i5 8th gen, 8 GB graphics, 2 GB, sorry, 8 GB RAM, 2 GB graphics. Mm, you can simply search in Flipkart by saying like Dell 3578. Dell 3578 is the model, is the laptop model. Okay, now I'm gonna upgrade this. We'll show you what I'm doing. Thank you. So, welcome to 4C7 Command Center. Mm, I'm basically a network engineer in some organization. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop with all the accessories which I bought. I bought like SSD, many things. You'll be seeing that, and gradually I'll post everything in description so you can buy them online. Okay, at present I'm downloading a data migration software. I'll show you soon. So basically I bought this data cable from Flipkart, so I've transferred all my files to the SSD. Let's see what can we do. Okay, yeah, see, so here we have logged in. I have used this one. That is just a second. That is AOMEI partition something software. So I have used that and I've copied all the data to the SSD. Now the next thing is that first thing we need to check, we need to boot it. Okay, first we need to check it whether it is bootable or not. Okay, for that we need to go to the Windows Boot Manager, right? Yeah, we need to go to the Windows Boot Manager. I will show you how we need to go to the Windows Boot Manager. Just a second. So here we go. See, this is the file which I have loaded my Windows into this. Okay, so you can see these are my Windows files. So basically we have to set up this in such a way that we need to boot it. Okay, so let's first check whether we can boot through the SSD or not. First let's go to the boot manager setup. Okay, let's go to the PC settings from here. From there on, let's go to the update and the security. There on need to go to the recovery, and from there restart now. Okay, let's see what we'll see. Okay, so here you go, we got this where, yeah, see, let's see what are the options we have. There you go, there's the startup settings. From where we are here to boot the device, right? Let's see what happens. Okay, Okay, I accidentally clicked on a wrong option. I think we need to check it again. Just a second. So here, just by clicking it, I have removed uh, my battery. Okay, so next thing is that we'll install this SSD into this CD drive, okay, by using CAD. Okay, so first you need to open the screw, and after that you need to, you know, just push this one like this, in this way, so that the DVD drive will pop out. Okay, then we'll place this into this and we'll fix it here. Okay, I'll show you again. So see here, this I have pulled my DVD drive from here, and we'll fix this. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay, so here you go. I have installed this SSD. This is my optical drive. I have installed this. Let's see what happens. At present it's not booting from SSD, it's just booting from HDD. We'll see what happens next. Thank you.